انہوں نے ساتھ والے گھر سے چیخوں کی آوازیں سنی.
They heard screams coming from the house next door. They heard screams coming from the house next door.
بلی خوبصورتی سے فرش پر اتری.
The cat landed elegantly on the floor. The cat landed elegantly on the floor.
سنک ایک زوردار دھڑکے سے گر گیا.
The sink fell with a heavy thud. The sink fell with a heavy thud.
وہ کیمرے کے پیچھے جھک گیا.
He ducked behind the camera. He ducked behind the camera.
اس نے دہی کا ڈھکن اتار دیا.
She whipped off the cap of the yogurt. She whipped off the cap of the yogurt.
چرواہے جانوروں پر چیختے رہے.
The herdsmen shouted at the animals. The herdsmen shouted at the animals.
پانی کی بوتل اس کے ہاتھ سے گر گئی.
The water bottle fell from his hand. The water bottle fell from his hand.
جانور کو دور سے دیکھا گیا.
The animal was spotted from afar. The animal was spotted from afar.
ان کی باتوں پر مسلسل خلوص کے ساتھ زور دیا جاتا رہا.
His words were continually asserted with sincerity. His words were continually asserted with sincerity.
پیرامیڈیکس جائے وقوع پر پہنچ گئے.
The paramedics rushed to the scene. The paramedics rushed to the scene.